What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles YouTube channel. Welcome back to the stream. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. Already got a ton of people in here, 74 concurrent viewers, 40 guys. We're starting the stream off with 41 likes. We got the wheel. We filled it in yesterday. We're gonna be playing around with that a little bit later. We're gonna be talking about the Super Bowl. We're gonna be looking at Bitcoin, doing some live analysis. We're gonna look at some altcoins. And I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit more about the Fibonacci tool and how you can use it to your benefit and how you could use it to enter trades. I have some setups on the chart here that I want to show you guys. We're dipping a little bit, but how about that, guys? We called it on the stream yesterday. I was expecting a little dip to around the 42K area for Bitcoin. Wait till you see the chart. I mean, if you guys have been looking at it, like I know you guys were, we wicked right down to 42K. I think we might come down, touch it again. Maybe we'll wick a little bit lower. So we're going to be taking a look at that. And guys, I know we were talking yesterday about how I used to have that Pauly D haircut, the blowout. I do have a picture. So maybe if we get our like goal of 250 likes, once again, we blew through it last time. I think we can do it again. Maybe I'll show you guys the picture of me with the blowout. It's pretty hilarious and embarrassing at the same time, but I'll do anything to give you guys a laugh. But yeah, we're going to take a look at the Fibonacci. I'm going to give you guys... what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to talk, we're going to do the TA. I'm going to talk about the Fibonacci. I'm going to try to give you guys that hashtag Sunday sauce in the beginning of the stream because I know a lot of you are busy. I got a couple of comments and I know our streams are a little bit long. So I'm going to try to get the value, the hashtag value out in the first half of the stream. So if anybody wants to, come back and watch the replay, they could find that hashtag value a little sooner. They don't have to watch through the whole stream. And I'm also going to try to put timestamps on this one too. So if you are one of those busy people, like we all are, you could just go into the description and click those timestamps. Like, I want to learn about the Fibonacci. I know you talked about the Fibonacci. It's going to be at 34 minutes and 50 seconds. And you can just click it and get, just the sauce. And then maybe you can just skip down to the challenge part to see how I embarrass myself on camera or hurt myself. Elbow is fully healed, guys. Fully healed. Hard as a rock. Here we go. All right, guys. Who do we got in chat today? Let's see here. Wow, guys. You guys are blowing the chat up. Let's see. Frankie in the house. Eddie, what's going on? Chris, thank you for coming. Hope, welcome back. John Connor, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Ri-Fi, what is going on? Sweet Fib lesson, he says today. I'm ready. Let's go. Illusion of Hope, thank you for coming back. John, we already said hi to John Connor, but hello again. So welcome back to the stream, guys. Everybody smash those likes. Rafi said it, not me. Let's see. I did see a funny comment here I wanted to point out. But geez, you guys blew up the chat so much, I can't even find it. But yeah, guys, great stream today, great show. We got the Super Bowl this weekend. Will we pump? We're going to talk about it. But let's jump right in here and take a look at the charts. So jumping into Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin on the 4-hour, we're going to start on the longer time frames. We'll move our way down. So let's just do a little resize here. Guys, look at this. Let me get this out of the way. That's annoying. All right, let me just, let me get rid of this fib for a second. Guys, look at these wicks. Look at these wicks. This is our line at 42K. Came down and kissed it perfectly. Kissed it perfectly. I was saying it would be a good place to look for a scalp long. Let's come down to the 15-minute. And, yeah, could have caught a nice long there, nice little scalp long with some leverage. Come down here. Let's just say you caught the bottom, right? And you rode it up to the top of this next candle. That's 1.8% or 18% with 10x leverage. And if you caught the top of this green candle, it would have been 2.5% or 25%. With that 10x leverage. I do recommend using low leverage. Obviously, 10x is actually kind of high. To some people, but I think 10x is just a nice, a great mix of, enough leverage to give you those extra gains and not too much where your liquidation price is, right up your butt. So you could have caught those nice longs. Let's go down to a little bit of a lower time frame so you can kind of see better. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, so came down, this candle touched perfectly. And yeah, you could have caught, this. I mean, you took it at the top of the first candle, 1.6, second candle, 1.8. You could have rode it all the way to the top of here for 2.6. That would have been great. And we did call that on the stream. So super happy about that. Super happy about that. You guys remember we were talking about this 42K for a couple days, actually, expecting it to come down. And then I'm going to show you how you also, we're going to show you a little bit of like when we talk about the Fibonacci, I'm going to show you how you could have caught a couple scalp shorts as well. I'm going to show you a little strategy with the Fibonacci. So if you guys don't know, the Fibonacci retracement tool Fibonacci is, it's this algorithm, I guess you could call it, and it's, it's a pattern of numbers. I don't really know exactly how to explain it. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's a mathematical equation that shows up in all different facets of life. It shows up randomly in nature. Like, I think if you measure like from your elbow to your hand and divide it by the length of your face or something like that, this equation plays into that. It shows up in seashells, tree branches. I mean, it's kind of weird. And the Fibonacci, we were talking about how it's like almost this magical, this magical tool, and it works to measure out these markets and, plot those key levels of support and resistance so you can know where to get into trades. And we're going to get deep into that. And we're going to be coming out. I'm going to be coming out with a Fibonacci video, a Fibonacci tutorial where we're going to talk more in depth about it. But I do just want to touch on it a little bit today and give you guys that hashtag Sunday sauce, right? Sunday sauce. Maybe if something crazy goes on for the Super Bowl, maybe I'll hop on a live a little bit and, I'll join you with my pasta and, a little macaroni, Sunday macaroni. And, we'll hang out on the stream if Bitcoin's doing anything crazy, if we get that, Super Bowl pump. But guys, 110 viewers, let's go. 83 likes. We've been live for like 13 minutes, but like 7 of those minutes were in the waiting room. So thank you for the likes. Smash them if you haven't. We're going to be playing with the wheel today. We got a lot of cool stuff. You guys picked what was on there. So I definitely like that. We still have a blank one. To be honest, I don't remember what was the deal with that. So maybe we can add one more thing. I do have some more ideas for giveaways. We're trying to get that working in the background. So we're gonna spin the wheel tonight. We're working on the trade, the 100x longs. We're working on that. We're not gonna get into that just yet. And the giveaways, I don't want to promise anything I can't deliver on 100%. So if we land on giveaway or the trades, we'll just take the spot to the right or the left. Maybe we'll take a little poll. And speaking of polls, guys, we put a poll in chat. We were talking yesterday about what we should call our community, right? Is it CandleMafia? Is it the, Candle Crew? So I put a couple options in there. So take that poll and let me know what we should call everybody. You know what I'm saying? I like that. I think it's really cool that you guys can pick that out. So let's check chat real quick before we get back into the charts. Let's see. I'm sure I missed a whole bunch here, but let's see. Frankie, thank you for the Market Cipher video last night. Yeah, guys, if you did not catch the Market Cipher video last night, I go into, Market Cipher, which is the indicator that I do use the most. That's these blue waves here. You might notice they look a little different today. I did take off the RSIs because I do use them from time to time, but I probably use those the least out of all of the indicators on Market Cipher B. So I just took them off to clean it up a little bit because I think there's two lines, they're crisscross, and I think it might look a little confusing. So I think it's just a little cleaner to look at it like this, and it'd be easier for me to explain things to you guys. But yeah, so Market Cipher tutorial is up on the channel from last night. If you haven't checked it out, definitely take a look. I think it's filled with a bunch of good value. And and if you guys do want to sign up for Femex and start trading with leverage, they also have spot trading, so you can buy Bitcoin without leverage, or they have a bunch of coins on there. There is a link pinned to the top of the chat, as well as a link in the description below. So definitely click that link and sign up for Femex if you're interested in getting started trading and taking what you learn on this channel and applying it to the charts and getting into those trades and making that money. Cheddar feta cheese, baby. We're in the New York Bagel Factory. We're coming out with these new cheddar bagels because we're making that cheddar. There was a funny comment in there about making bagels. I hope I could find it. It was funny. I wish I could find it, but I might not be able to get back there. Let's see. I like the intro. Johnny Two Shoes likes the intro music. So do I. That's done by our Hit Music people here at Hit Network. They make a bunch of fire beats. If you guys are interested in that, definitely search them on socials and give them a follow. Miller says doing taxes sucks. Yeah, I don't know anybody that really likes doing taxes. I don't even think the accountants like doing it. Do it in one, Frankie, and we'll give you more likes. Do it in one. I don't know what that means. Captain Kirk, thank you for coming back. You're always here. You're always helping out the chat. So thank you for being here. But I don't know what that means. I think it might be a typo, or maybe I just can't read. Who knows? Money Mob Frankie. Let's go. Who said that? Wendell. Wendell, what's going on? I think I responded to your YouTube comment today. Thank you for coming in. Yeah, I think Money Mob is pretty cool, but like I said, you guys are doing the poll. You guys are going to pick. Let's see. Oh boy, a bunch of chats just came in. Hashtag smash. Johnny Two Shoes says hashtag smash the likes. Thank you for the great info. Very helpful. No problem, Jonathan. Can you put timestamps in the past videos or just here going forward? Rickster, I'll try to do it in the ones going forward. I am a little cramped on time making all these videos, trying to do the tutorials, but if I find some time, I will definitely try to do that. As you guys can see, I uploaded that market cipher video like last night at like 8:30, 9 o'clock. So I'm up late for you guys. I want you guys to get in. I want you to get the information as fast as possible so you can catch these rips and dips. And I don't think I said it in the beginning, but welcome back to the channel. On this channel, I show you guys how to make money trading crypto, whether it's going up or down. So if it's pumping and we're in the bull market, you're making that money. And if we're dumping, it's red. Everybody's sad, but you're winning because you're shorting that. You're shorting that stuff and you're making the bread. So definitely subscribe to the channel if you have not. Market Cipher was sick. Would like to see a breakdown of Market Cipher on a live trade. Yes. When we get into the live trades, you guys will be able to watch and see what I'm looking at on the charts before I get into a trade. So yeah, we're going to be doing all of that on this channel. Happy Friday, guys. You know, I'm feeling the Friday vibes. My energy tonight is brought to you by nothing but water. But yeah, just water today to keep the energy up. Hope says we appreciate you. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the Candle Squad, Candle Crew, Candle Gang, whatever you guys want to call each other. Rickster says, I appreciate everything you do. I appreciate all you guys. You guys are awesome. I seriously don't know any other YouTube channel that has a crew like this. I mean, we got a strong family here. It's La Familia, you know what I'm saying? Frankie's Familia. Maybe we call you guys that. Respect the grind, Trap. I appreciate that. Let's see. Okay, I'm here. You can start now. All right, V-Slim is here. What's going on, V-Slim? I think I responded to your YouTube comment too. Don't mind the crack of that can. It's just my extra water. All right, so let's jump back into the charts, guys. Here's a little update. I know you guys are always asking me like what I hold, not just what I'm leverage trading. You guys ask me what kind of coins I hold. I did scoop up a little Gala, right? And I'm going to show you. We're going to pull up the Gala chart here and take a look. It's currently sitting at about 30 cents. Now, I was waiting for, Gala to come down. I knew Bitcoin was going to come down a bit, so I was waiting for it to hit this Fibonacci level here at about 30 cents to buy a little bit, right? Remember, we might have some, you always want to prepare yourself. I did not put my whole bag in at 30 cents. I am waiting in case there's a further dip. Let's see, let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, we're just hugging that line at 30 cents. So I put a little bit. I put a little bit in right here at 30 cents. And if we do break this resistance line and we do come down, I will be looking to put my other half of my bag in, right? Because if you put half of your money in, right, and then it pumps, you're going to wind up buying in higher, right? But if it does pump and you don't, you could just make your gains. And then if it dumps, you're not upset, right? You could just get it cheaper. So I will be looking for the price to dump a little bit more. If it does, I'll scoop up some more. If not, I'll ride my original bag up and take some profits and buy a different dip. But yeah, so I did buy some Gala. Like I said, I do not have a metaverse heavy. I don't have a metaverse heavy portfolio right now. So I'm definitely trying to scoop up those metaverse and gaming tokens. Galaverse kind of taking part in both of those, I guess. I would consider it more of a gaming token, but I guess metaverse too. I actually got to talk to the guys over at Gala when we went to a metaverse conference in Miami with the Bit Squad. So it was very, very cool. We got to play some of their games. They were definitely they got a real working product. I can definitely tell you that. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that I am buying there. So I don't really think it was a bad time to buy. If we dip more, I'll put in more. Let's take a look at ADA. I know I'm just going to look at the coins that you guys typically like to look at. Look at that ADA breaking that support line at $1.10. That psychological resistance or psychological support in this case, and psychological resistance in this green candles case. We came down, tried to pop back up, got dumped down. So if you're into ADA, maybe watch the price. And let me just take a look at Bitcoin here again. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, so watching this 42K level very, very, very closely might not be a bad entry here to take a little scalp long, but I would not be surprised if we wick a little bit below it. Maybe, I don't know. We could go a little lower, right? We do have the daily VWAP coming down over here on Market Cipher B. We have that VWAP coming down with the red dot printing on this. Is this candle? Yeah, we are currently printing a red dot. But it does, it does kind of look like we could be bottoming out, but that red dot on the daily could definitely bring us down a little bit more. So let's take a look at where that could bring us in that case. What is this? Yeah, 39. What is this wick to? Yeah, maybe like 39, 40K would maybe 40. I do have to say, if I had to guess, if I had to pick a side, I do kind of, it does kind of look like we're bottoming out a little bit here, but that's not to say that we can't. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It does what it. I can't talk, guys. It does what it wants. It could dump a little more, but I do think that we most likely will hold this level. If not, I think 40K, 39, high 39s would be worst case. You do have the support right here. Let's look at a higher time. Let's look at the 8. Let's look at the 18 hours. Look at these weird, funky time frames. Yeah, we wicked down to about, maybe 39.5 is worst case. Maybe we bottom out there. And then, I'm not worried long term, right? Because we do have the weekly VWAP coming up. We talk about this on almost every stream. We've been waiting for this forever. This weekly VWAP is huge. Did puncture the zero line there. We are popping above it. Money flow is flattening out. So maybe, we could see, money flow is coming down. It's starting to flatten out. Maybe it comes back up. And as the VWAP pops over this zero line. And we know, if you guys watch the channel, these weekly VWAPs are huge. I mean, this move was huge. That was a weekly VWAP crossover right there. This move was huge. That's a weekly VWAP crossover right. Weekly crossover right here. Big move. So definitely nothing to, definitely something to pay attention to. I'm not, if we go down to 40, 39, 5, I'm not super panicking yet, because we do have that weekly VWAP, which is very, very bullish. And speaking of a pump, off these weekly VWAPs, let's talk about the Super Bowl real quick. Do you guys think that the Super Bowl is going to pump the price of crypto? This is the big question going on right now in the crypto sphere. And a lot of people think that it could bring us up. We can see a nice pump. We're going to get a lot of people who probably, maybe the older generations who have been hearing about Bitcoin, hearing about crypto. People are making money. Is it a scam? You're going to get those skeptical people who watch the Super Bowl, tons of people. And they're going to be watching the Super Bowl. And when you see a Super Bowl commercial for crypto, I think personally they're going to be all over the place. People are going to start to think like, wow, they have a Super Bowl commercial. Like, surely, like, there's got to be some legitimacy to this. And I think that might be the thing that ticks those people over, where it's like, they have a Super Bowl commercial. Like, Crypto.com has a Super Bowl commercial. They have to be legit, right? They must have paid millions of dollars for that. And, maybe everyone gets back to work on Monday, right? That's the whole thing. Everyone goes back to work the next day and they talk about the funny commercials. They talk about the game. It always starts off with the game. People start arguing and fighting in the break room, right? Their team won or lost. And then they start talking about the funny commercials. And I think that buzz about the funny commercials is going to have a lot to do with crypto. And maybe that's, people are like, maybe I'll just download it and get some. So maybe we see a pump there. I personally didn't really think that, it would make that big of an effect, but we're going to have to see. Like I said, we haven't seen crypto commercials at a Super Bowl yet, so we don't know how it will react. But I think it's definitely probably, likely that we could see at least a little bit of positive price action. Guys, 159 people in chat. If you're new, welcome. Guys, if you came from ATB, put hashtag ATB and let me know if Justin shouted me out, because he forgot last time, which is fine. It was his first time hosting, but he said he was going to try and remember this time. So if you're here from ATB, hashtag ATB, and if Justin shouted me out, let me know. So I like to have an idea of how many people come from ATB from the shout outs, or how many people just come back for the fun. And, to get that hashtag value, hashtag sauce. You know what I'm saying? The Sunday sauce. Let's check chat real quick. What about the Fed meeting? Yes. So guys, we do have a lot of crazy stuff going on. Fundamentally, we'll talk about that in a second. I think big bet winnings could go into crypto, right? You got the people, putting their parlays in on the Super Bowl. They might win big money and put it into crypto. Who knows? Ride that pump. But like I said, I want to stick to the value, guys. I'm going to check chat in a few minutes. But I do just, I want to give the value to the people who do, people who are rewatching this so they can see it, get that value super quick without having to watch through the 2-hour stream. So let's talk about the Fibonacci. Let me just try to get my, drawings back here. I just deleted them all. Oh no, I'm breaking the computer, guys. Doesn't like all these undos. Undo. Come on, let's get them back. Let's get it back. Almost. Okay, I think we're good. I think that's all I had. Okay, so let's come down to the 15-minute, right? So in general, guys, I'm just going to come down here to show you the Fibonacci, right? So the Fibonacci retracement, you got 1 tool, 2 tools, 3rd tool. I don't know what to call this. I would call this the toolbar. I would call these little draws, right? Little draw, right? Little draw. So 3rd draw down. I'm going to call it a draw. People make fun of the way I say draw, but whatever. So you grab your Fibonacci retracement. It's the first one right here on TradingView. And so I'm not going to explain how to draw it just yet, but I'm just going to show you. So you pull it out like this, and this is how it draws, right? It comes up with these levels. They go very high. And then, yeah, so from here to here, it comes up with these levels, right? And you want to draw these. I'll show you guys how to draw them in a second. And we will have a video coming out going more in detail. I'm just going to go over it briefly today just so you guys can get an idea and maybe start messing around with it before the video comes out. But I do want to, basically, the Fibonacci, like I mentioned, it's like an ancient algorithm. I don't know if that's the technical word for it, but you get these lines and these ranges, right, which basically act as support and resistance, right? So, I showed you guys in the Finding Key Levels video. If you haven't watched that, definitely important to watch so you can know how to draw your key levels yourself. But the Fibonacci tool is very, 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 very powerful tool. And you just have to drag it, right? You get all these. Where did my mouse go? Oh, no, guys, my mouse died. My mouse died, guys. All right, we're going trackpad, so bear with me. So you get these levels and these lines, and all you got to do is drag and click. You know what I'm saying? It's easy. You get multiple levels, and you get an idea of where the price is going to react. An important place to watch. Again, I'm not going to go too deep into it, but this level here, right in between these 2 yellow lines, the 0.65 and the 0.618 Fibonacci levels, this is the golden pocket, right? So this is a very, very, very strong area of support and resistance. So a lot of times when price does come up to this level, it's a very, very strong, usually get very strong reactions, right? Either way, as resistance, or if you're coming down off of a huge dump, bear with my trackpad, it acts as very strong support as well. So that is definitely something to remember, that golden pocket between the 0.65 and the 0.618 Fibonacci levels. That's the golden pocket. And I'm going to show you how you can trade based off of that. And I was gonna save it. I was gonna save it for the Fibonacci video, and I will go over it again in more detail on the Fibonacci video. But real quick, I will in a second show you guys how you could have used this to catch a short off of that pump right after we hit 42K. Very, very interesting. Hold tight, guys. I'm gonna go and try and steal the mouse from this computer sitting next to me here, but I'm gonna have to get off. I'm gonna spin the wheel, and I'm going to see if I can get back before the wheel stops spinning. Hopefully I don't turn off the computer and unplug the wrong thing. If I do that, I'm so sorry. I'll get it back up and running as fast as possible. 163 people, guys. Let's go. 136 likes. Smash the likes. We got a lot of good stuff here. We got 1-minute trading session. We got, we're going to hold off on these for now, but I'll read the ones we're going to do. Prank call, hit network. We do have giveaways on there. Talk with a Long Island accent. For 5 minutes. Random fridge object. People want me to put a random object in the fridge at BitBoy Crypto and freak people out, I guess. Funny outfit. I'll come on the next stream with a funny outfit. 100x longs. These are going to be fun when we start doing these. I'm just going to jump into the first coin that you guys say with 100x leverage. Never recommend doing that. It's for fun. I'm going to get wrecked. You guys, I think it'll be good a learning experience for you guys because you're going to see how easy it is to get wrecked with 100x leverage. So take that as a learning experience as why you should never trade with 100x leverage. Unless you want to gamble, right? 30 jumping jacks, another giveaway, chug your Red Bull, 100x long on SHIB, 1-minute trading session. Okay, and I guess that's all of them. Yeah, random for about. Okay, I'm going to spin this. I'm going to get that mouse and come back because I can't stand the trackpad. So hang tight. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm back. I'm back. Sorry. All right, we got 6 more viewers. I guess nobody left. That was dangerous. I almost I almost closed out the live streaming program that we're using, and almost lost you guys forever because I was holding the mouse, clicking the buttons. Okay, so let me go ahead and hook this up. This mouse is from the 90s, guys, so should be good. All right. So Fibonacci levels, we got the golden pocket right here. Again, if you guys want to write it down, 0.65 and the 0.618 Fibonacci level, that's the golden pocket right there. So let's go ahead and draw this out on some price action and see how it works. So here we go. So I do have one drawn. Let's go down to the lower chart here. Okay, so this is, I'm going to give you guys the sauce here. I'm going to give you the sauce. I'm giving you the sauce, guys. Sunday sauce. Taking a sip of the Red Bull. I think I only drank this much, but it's already hitting me. We're all about that hashtag energy. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to, I'm not going to go super in detail. I just want to go over it, and then I'll cover it more in the tutorial video coming out very soon. You want to come from a high to a low, right? So I'll draw this one all over. Let me delete it real quick. So we're going to come from this high to this low. I'm going to show you how you guys could have caught this bounce off of 42K and got a nice little long and a nice little short. So you get the Fibonacci retracement. Let me just get rid of those lines. Let me stretch it out a little bit. Boom. So you go from the top of the wick all the way down, and this bottom line by my mouse, the bottom white or gray line, you want to bring it down to the bottom of the wick at the low, and you click again, release it, and it will set your levels here. And I want to show you something. I'm just going to go down to the super low time frames here just so we could see a little more candles. Let's see. Okay, so you came down, right? You bounced, and you came up, and you came up, and look at that. Super strong resistance against the golden pocket here, came back down. Now, it's important to not, a lot of people say, like, why wouldn't I just trade the Fibonacci like all the time, right? Because look at that reaction. I mean, this is clear, right? We came down. Hey, we drew this line. This ain't no Fibonacci stuff. We drew this line, reacted perfectly off of it, right? So if you entered your long right here, like we were expecting, and you came up, right? You could have caught, actually, what was this first move here? I think you could have got a nice little 10% gain with 10x leverage. Yeah, almost 20% on 10x leverage for that first pump. But if you held, you would have came up higher, right? If I was, when I trade these, right, I'll wait, right? Even if we come down and dip, you found support on this Fibonacci level, right? They're all levels of support and resistance. But just the golden pocket's very strong, right? But you came up, you tested this. If you guys watched the stream, we have talked about this a little bit. Tested this area of support and came straight up to the golden pocket. So I would have held through this little dip to see if we held this as support, because I'm just waiting to get in to hit that golden pocket for the reaction back down. But so you could have caught that move, expected rejection at the golden pocket, like pretty strong chances that it's going to have at least a small reaction off of that golden pocket. So you would want to take profits either near as you're approaching, right? If you're in enough profit where you want to take it, you could take your profit right before you hit the golden pocket. And then you could even, once you hit the golden pocket and you start to come back down, you can even catch that move back down for a short, which would have obviously shown here by our short tool. I know it's hard to see with all the shading with the Fibonacci's, but this little red area and green area, if you put your short in right at this level right here, you could have rode this down for some nice gains. It's like 1.5%. 15% on $1,000 would be 15% on $150 in how long? This doesn't tell you the time, but we are on the 3-minute chart, so not very long, right? So So you could have, you knew you were probably going to get rejected from here. You could have taken that short, and you could have got, oh, where's my ruler? Could have got that nice, like if you took profit where I was, would have been 1.8%. So you would have gotten you would have got like 2% up and almost another 2% down. That's 40% on 2 trades. And how long would that have been? How long would that have been? I always like to see how quickly you can make the money, right? So let's go from here to about here. Guys, in an hour and 18 minutes, you could have made almost 40% profit, right? Depending on how much you're trading with, that could be some really good money. I mean, even if you had a little bit of money, I mean, you're 40% is, a really good gain. So very important, guys. This is the sauce, right? I always tell you, if you're gonna grab your notebook at any point, right now is probably the time. I don't want to go too much into it because I'm going to go more in detail in the video, but I wanted to give you guys that hashtag Sunday sauce, right in the beginning of the video, or at least close to the beginning of the stream. And I will try to put those timestamps for people who are watching the playback. Hey, if you're watching the replay, guys, thanks for being here. We don't forget about you on the live stream. We're thinking about you. You got to go to work. Like we're missing you guys when you're at work. So thank you for being here. All right, let's check chat a little bit. I feel like I've been neglecting you guys a little bit, but it's for value, right? If you guys are learning something, you know what to put in the chat. Hashtag value, hashtag bing bong. So I know you guys are learning because if I'm talking gibberish up here and you guys aren't getting it, I need to know so I could switch it up to help you guys understand. And guys, at the end of the stream, obviously we're going to have a lot of fun with the wheel, but also if you want to ask some questions, if you want to ask some questions about the market cipher tutorial, if you didn't really understand something or you want me to clarify and you're watching the video and you're thinking like, oh God, I wish I could ask a question or ask where he found that tool or whatever it is, now's your chance, or not now, but at the end of the stream, I'll answer some questions while we're doing your altcoin TA. And guys, we're super close to getting, early next week, I think we're going to be able to trade live because unfortunately, look at this. Boom, we came down, touched 42. We're getting a little bit of a bounce there. That is something, this is the 3-minute chart. So we could have seen this happen live and we could have taken this position on stream. Let's pretend we caught it, right? We'll just pretend we caught it at 42. I'd be looking for a scalp. Let's say, we'll go for 10% profit. Let's say we're on 10x leverage. We're looking for about 10% profit. Let's see if we would have nailed this trade live. It's still exciting to watch it go through this green box, right? Not as exciting as trading with real money, but that is coming hopefully early next week. But this would be a little setup that I'd try to scalp with you guys. Got money flow coming up. Did print a little bit of a green dot. Obviously, we're on the 3-minute. So, the green dots aren't just, if you watch the market cipher tutorial, those green dots aren't just, you don't just buy the green dots. We have money flow coming up. We're at a key level of support, right? These are the confirmations I talk about. And I think you guys are getting it, right? So there you go. That's an example. Someone asked a question about confirmations the other day. So you're coming to key level. This is a trade made off of me just looking at the 3-minute, but we did come down and touch that level. So let's see if we can get a little degen trade on the 3-minute or if we're going to get wrecked. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll keep this in this little tool here to track our profits or losses. Okay. I do think there's a chance we go lower. So this would be a super short-term trade, right? I wouldn't hold this very long because I think there is a chance that we'll break this, even if it's just briefly. All right, I'm checking chat. I'm coming back. I feel like I gave you guys a lot of Sunday sauce right in the beginning there. So let's talk chat a little bit. Let's see. Let me scroll up. Did anyone come from ATB? That is the question. Guys, 209 viewers. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, if you're new and you want to make that money trading crypto, whether we're going up or down, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Follow me on Twitter. The whole spiel. I don't really like shilling, the YouTube and stuff, but I got to do it, right? Because I want to help you guys. I want to help you guys make money. But yeah, if you're new, smash the like button. We're spinning the wheel, which is going to have giveaways, hopefully starting next week. But we're gonna do the pranks or whatever challenges for me at the end of the stream. It's always fun. So smash those likes. We're looking for 250 today. If we can smash through that 200 resistance and get up to 250, it's gonna be a fun end of the stream. It's Friday. I'm feeling the energy. I think you guys are too. I'm gonna read the chat now because I've been neglecting you guys. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, talked about. Oh, okay, you guys talked about the Fed on ATB. That's cool. Justin gave a quick shout out. Okay, let's go, Justin. Look at that. Let's go, Justin. He's been doing a great job hosting ATB. That was his, like, yesterday was his first time and he crushed it. So I'm happy for him. He's doing really good. Let's see. Hashtag ATB, ATB, ATB. Let's go. Justin almost forgot. We reminded him, but last second shout out. Let's go. You guys got my back. You guys got my back. Love it. Oh, James said that he didn't shout me out. So mixed opinions here, or mixed facts, I guess. ATB, hashtag Bing, Captain Kirk, hashtag Bing Bong. Okay, ATB, beautiful. A lot of people came from ATB. Love to have you guys. If you want to learn how to trade while also long-term investing, right? A lot of people say, you're like, oh, you're going to be poor because you're a trader. Like, because, you know, they say like 95% of day traders lose money. If you're smart about it, it is possible to be a successful trader, guys. Like, don't let the haters, you know, talk you out of trying something. Because a lot of people hate on, especially using leverage. People are like, oh, that's gambling, because they tried it and they didn't know what they were doing, right? And if you don't know what you're doing, it could become gambling. And they get wrecked and they think that just because they can't do it, no one else can do it. Just don't listen to those people. But you know, as long as you have good risk management and you trade safely with a strategy, you're good. Now I'm going to chat, I promise. Free market cipher. Wendell, we can work on that. I don't know if we'll be able to pull it off, but I'm definitely going to try to pull it through for you guys. Let's see. Talk about the golden pocket. The more we talk about it, the better. Repetition helps retention. Yes, Hope, I highlighted that. I will keep that in mind. We'll go right back to the Fibonacci right after this. And we will pull it. Maybe we'll use the replay tool. We'll use the replay tool. That'll be cool. And it'll be really good for you guys to learn. Wait for the loud crash noise again. Solid spin. Yeah, I got wrecked on it, though. I got back like 20 seconds after, but thank you. Warna, not so good for stocks or Bitcoin. Yes, I think it could be really good or really bad, which is kind of good and kind of bad. Let's see. Didn't spin enough. Yes, V-Slim, that is for sure. He thought he'd make it back in time. Well, yeah. Well, that's what you call getting wrecked, right? I got wrecked by the wheel. What is going on here? I can't really see your name. Maquez Chima. Welcome to the stream. What's going on here is I'm showing you guys how to make money trading crypto, even if we're dumping. So stay tuned if you're interested. Appreciate that, Tal. Okay, that's someone else's. Let's see. Bitcoin USD. Lucifer, do you want to look at that? We can take a look at it. Let's see. She says they say they can't see. I hope you guys can see me. Let's take a look here. 196 people. Let's go. 187 likes, guys. We're already almost at 200. Frankie's hot sauce. Let's go. John Connor. 0.65 is not there by default. Yes, Tyler. I will show you guys how to add that. Don't worry. Oh no, Frankie's getting sauced up. I'm getting sauced up, guys. It's Red Bull. YouTube is Red Bull. This is what we call our Sunday sauce. This is where I get the knowledge, right? I get the knowledge from here, and then I spit it back out to you guys. Let's see. Bring on the sauce, Hope. I'm coming with it. I'm coming with it. Frankie, you need to go into the fib settings to add the 0.61. Yeah, Ri-Fi, I'll show you guys how to do that. I just want to say stay high. Okay. High prices? Is that what you're talking about? Let's see. Guys, smash the likes if you want to see this trade. Oh, baby, look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. This scalp would have been good. This would have been a good scalp. If you want to see this go through the take profit, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's jump back into chat here really quick. I will show you guys how to draw the fibs. Don't worry, how to get those levels back on your fib tool. Defring, D-Ring, I can't see your name fully, but he says, you're awesome. Thank you for doing this. You guys, thank you. You don't have to thank me. I'm having fun. I'm having fun doing this. I hope you guys are too. I also hope you're learning something. Let's see. I caught a scalp earlier today on 100x leverage. LMAO earlier today at 4. Listen, Robert, first off, congratulations. 100x leverage. Here you go. That's for you. But congratulations on that. I never recommend trading with 100x leverage, but listen, I can't hate on the gains, right? So congratulations to you. Super pumped. You're making money. So let's see here. I caught a scalp. Oh, the same one. I'm hangry. I passed hungry about 2 hours ago. I feel you, Captain Kirk. I feel you. I'm starving. I'm running on Red Bull here. BitBoy channel has an international following. How about having 10 other people like you, Frankie, doing about a 2-hour show, making the channel 24 hours live? John, that might be cool. We were talking about doing a 24-hour live stream. Maybe if we hit like 1 million subscribers or something, we'll do something crazy like that where I just stare at the charts with my eyes bleeding for 24 hours. We'll think about it. We'll think about it. But you're right. We got enough content pumping out of this place that we might be able to pull that off and let other people sleep. Like DZ will hop on for a couple hours, and then Justin will hop on for a couple hours. The boys at Meta Money will hop on for a couple hours. Follow Meta Money, follow NFT Update if you guys don't. They're also showing you guys how to make money in NFTs, and Meta Money shows you how to make money playing video games. I don't think it gets more fun or easier than that, so definitely follow both of those channels. And I think we're going to try and get some Cardano NFTs for our giveaway wheel, so we can give those away to you guys. And hey, hopefully they go through the roof. BJ sold a Boss Cat Rocket Club NFT yesterday for $20,000, guys. People are making money, so definitely keep an eye on these channels because they've been talking about that forever, and I know a lot of their community made a lot of money too. So let's see. Are you in a trade? Currently, I am not in a trade. I'm in this little trade with you guys right now, but I'm not in a live trade right now. Let's see. Great stuff, Frankie. Hashtag value. Bubba, thank you. Bubba, you're my friend. You're my friend. Hashtag Bing Bong. Smash those likes. Captain Kirk, always pushing the likes. I love it. 196 likes. Almost about to crack that 200 level of resistance. And I know we're going to shoot up to, 250 any time now. Let's see. Do you think Crow will pump during the Super Bowl? Listen, I think Crypto.com is definitely going to have a commercial. I don't know if that's like public knowledge or not, but I know that they're already advertising like crazy everywhere. They have F1 deals. They have UFC deals. And if you've gone to Vegas in the past month and you had your eyes open, you would have seen 40 Crypto.com ads. So I can almost guarantee you they'll have a Super Bowl ad if that's not already public knowledge. So I would expect if it does pump, if the commercials do pump crypto, Crypto.com probably be one of them. Let's see. Hashtag Familia. Johnny Two Shoes says hashtag Familia. Absolutely. Maybe we could call you guys Frankie's Familia. I gotta take a look at the poll to see who's winning. What name is winning here? Jeremiah says hashtag Monster Value. Let's go. I'm glad you hashtag Value. I'm so glad you guys are learning stuff. How did you learn that tool? Is there a class that you can suggest to those new at the advanced tools? I can suggest my YouTube channel. We're going to be coming out with the Fibonacci video, and I personally learned. I mean, I've been doing this for a while, so I've learned here, I've learned there. A lot of practice, a lot of staring at the charts, a lot of playing around. So I don't really have a specific place. We do have the BitLab Academy. But I don't really have a specific place where I learned Fibonacci in one sole place. But definitely keep an eye out because everything I know is going to be on my YouTube channel for free. All right, let's see. Almost 200 viewers. We are at 200. Oh, it just went to 199. That's okay. That's okay. We got 200 likes. That's all right. We're in the 200s with the likes, which means hopefully it's not a fake out. Hopefully we can break through the resistance and fly up to 250. Let's see. Chat just jumped all over the place. Can you give some XRP insights? Yes. Towards the end of the stream, I'll be looking at your altcoins. So shout it out at the end of the stream. Let's see. Do you also show how you analyze? Yes, cool man. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I show them on the stream, on these streams every single weekday, and also on the YouTube channel. If you want to take, I would probably suggest maybe the Femex tutorial and the Finding Key Levels tutorial if you want an idea. And there's many more to come. We're just getting started, guys. The channel is less than a month old. We got 210 viewers, 213 likes. I mean, we're crushing it right now. And you guys are doing great. I know you guys are already starting to make money, which makes me happier than you could ever imagine. Let's see. Captain Kirk wants to do a show for us. What kind of show would you get if you had a show, Captain Kirk? Let us know. Let's see. You have to be the Mafia because I can be Kirk's crew. Okay. All right, we'll take that into consideration. Yeah, BJ made off really good with that. Freaky Frankie Fridays. Let's go. Freaky Frankie Fridays featuring water, purified water in a silver can. I hope you guys can hear that going like doo 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 out of the cam because it makes me seem like a lunatic. Let's see. Doge pump. We could take a look at that in a minute. Don't know much about NFTs. How does one get into the game of investing in as a newbie? If you had to invest 1K in NFTs as your first investment, what would you do? I'll tell you what, Mike. Mike in a riot. Mike, what's going on, man? Welcome to the stream. Great question. Great question. I love when I see friends in the chat. Thank you for being here. Look at us. We're live. How crazy is that? But I would recommend going to NFT Updates channel. They're part of us here at BitBoy Crypto and Hit Network, and they are all about NFTs. They have something called the NFT Playbook that could teach you everything about NFTs. So they're teaching you how to make money in NFTs. Meta Money's teaching you how to make money playing video games, and I'm showing you money how to trade crypto, whether we're pumping or dumping. So you're getting, and BitBoy Crypto showing you how to make money in crypto all together. That's like the mother lode of making money. So this whole operation is helping everybody make money in more ways than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see. Where's the moon indicator? Maybe we'll pull the moon indicator up for fun. Can we look at dot chart or chain link? Okay, so let's look at some coins here because I do want to continue to give you guys that value. All right, so we'll look at XRP. I know what you guys want to see. I'm just going to start pulling them up. Put them in chat if you do want to see something specific. But I'm just going to go through the most popular ones. 75 cents. Okay, XRP taking a little bit of a hit here. Let's take a look. All right. Okay. Yeah, at support right here. Maybe XRP can go down a little bit more. Yeah, we'll have to keep an eye on this. Again, I'm not really panicking right now. We have that weekly VWAP coming up. Very, very bullish. But like I said, what's Bitcoin at? 42.3. Yeah, I think Bitcoin has a chance to maybe break this support. It does look like we're bottoming out, as I said earlier in the stream. So we could come down a little more, but it does kind of look like we're bottoming out. So just going to keep an eye on it for now. But yeah, XRP, what is this? What are we on? We're on the 2 hour. Was this? Where's today? Yeah, what did this come down? 12%, a little less, maybe 11%. Yeah, I mean, listen, I already hold a lot of XRP. I have a really big XRP bag, so I'm not, I have other things like Gala. If you guys just came in here, I did pick up a little Gala earlier at about 30 cents. As I preach on this channel, I only put a little bit of my bag, right? Because we are coming down a little bit. I am expecting us to correct. So I bought a little bit at 30 cents, right about here. And I put a little bit of my bag in case we come down lower. I'm going to scoop another bag even lower, lowering my average buy-in price for maximum gains. Maximum gains. Let's take a look at DOT. Everybody wants to take a look at DOT. Guys, I got stopped out in profit. Actually, a mistake that I made. Not really a mistake. I was still up like over 100, well over 100%. On that trade, I got stopped out deep in profit. But I wanted to turn it off last night. It got late. I wound up falling asleep. But hey, that's the importance of putting your stop loss into profit and moving it up as you get into profit, because I was sleeping. I woke up, and instead of being like, oh no, I got liquidated or I got stopped out and lost money, I just woke up and I go, oh, I made money. And you guys can do that too. Guys, got right back up. We're fighting that resistance level of 200 viewers. We keep dipping below, and we're knocking on that door of the resistance. And you guys know what happens when you get those higher lows, right? We're going to smash through that 200 viewer resistance and hold it. 221 likes, guys. We're already almost at our goal. Haven't even been live for an hour. So, yeah, let's take a look. I mean, I know a lot of you probably want to see Gala. I was saying I do already have a really big bag of XRP. So I'm personally not looking to scoop up any more XRP because I do have enough. I'm looking to beef up my metaverse and gaming token bags. I do think that's a good long-term investment. I think these gaming tokens and the metaverse tokens, coins, whatever, I think they're going to go up over time, just because I'm curious to see how these perform in a bear market, right? Because we have these companies like Gala. I just got an ad about Gala Music. I mean, they're coming out with, like, this is coming to fruition, right? So even in a bear market, you have some crazy metaverse thing come out, that has a coin. these things can pump. And also keep an eye out for, metaverse and gaming companies, right? Companies still exist, right? I know it feels like you could only make money in crypto with these crazy gains and stuff, but keep an eye out for the traditional stocks, right? Because these companies are going to grow and they're going to be, investing in the IPO of these, massive metaverse and gaming companies could be like getting into Apple very, very low. So maybe we'll cover that a little bit. We are a crypto channel. But I guess we're Frankie Candles, right? So, stocks have candles too. So we could cover a little bit of both, but definitely keep an eye on the stocks too, because there's money to be made everywhere. And that's why I'm here to help you guys out. I can see a bagel. Oh no, that's sushi. I thought it was a bagel in chat. I'm going to come back to chat in a second. We're just going to keep looking at these coins real quick because I know it's what you guys want to see. Looking at Atom. Okay, coming down here. Okay, what is that? $25. Might be ooh, baby, are we going to get into an Atom long? Is it time to trade Atom? I can't wait. Yeah, let's take a look. I'm looking at this level right here. Actually, we might be below. Okay, yeah. All right, we're coming down to 25.85 is this line. But yeah, gonna keep an eye on Atom. I love trading Atom. Coming down to, yeah, let's go to a higher time frame. 4 hour. If you guys don't know, if you're new to the channel, I always start off on the higher time frames to identify my environment, as a lot of traders do. You want to make sure that you're not trying to sit in like a swing short while you're pumping, right? Because it's probably not going to go your way. The trend is your friend, and that's how you make the maximum amount of money and mitigate your risk. Mitigate your risk. You got to mitigate your risk. This is mitigating a risk. So you can mitigate a little bit of your risk. So you're going along with the trend, right? If you go surfing, you don't want to like swim and like try to surf like with the wave coming towards you. You got to go with the wave, right? Let's see. And we're going to go back to the Fibonacci. I haven't forgotten. We're not going to go to this Bitcoin chart because, guys, if your chart looks like this, I mean, to each his own, right? But you want to keep it simple, right? It's okay to have all these indicators and lines drawn, but make sure you have another chart that's like, a little bit cleaner because you don't want to fog up your vision. You want to keep things as simple as possible. You don't want to overcomplicate trading. It's okay to have this, but I do recommend maybe having another chart that's a little cleaner so you don't have all this noise in your face. Too much information sometimes is bad information. So just keep that in mind. A little bit of Sunday. We'll call that Saturday sauce. That was just a little bit of sauce. I give you guys a little side of sauce, right? You're getting the Sunday sauce, the full pot of Sunday sauce, a full dish of Sunday sauce with the Fibonacci levels and all that. And I'll just give you a little side of sauce with that little tip. All right, let's take a look at ETH. ETH below 3K. Oh no, ETH's below 3K. I actually have a lot of ETH, so it's my biggest holding, but it's okay. I do believe, I don't think this is like the end of ETH right here. But yeah, we are below 3K, but really watching Bitcoin, right? The alts, you guys know the alts are usually follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes down a little bit, we can expect ETH to follow. But yeah, I think that's why I don't like to spend too much time. I just like to give you my general thoughts. Someone said Doge was pumping. Let's check that out. Not really seeing it. I mean, yeah, we're down 4%, 5%. Yeah, no, Doge is indeed not really pumping. We are indeed following Bitcoin. What do you know? I mean, you get these little tiny bounces, but I mean, what is this? This is the 15-minute. Those aren't even really. Yeah, I mean, where's my ruler? Yeah, I mean, no, definitely not pumping. You're definitely in a short-term downtrend there. Let's see, Solana. Ooh, guys, Solana is sub $100. To me, sub $100 Solana is a pretty good place. I actually might pick up a little Solana. I'm gonna wait to see how Bitcoin plays out, but sub 100 is not bad. I actually don't have a lot of Solana. I don't even know if I still have any. I might have like a little dust, as they call it. Yeah, Solana sub $100. Woo, baby. AVAX. I know a lot of you like to look at AVAX. Ooh, boy, look at this. We are looking at the 15-minute chart, guys. This is not going to zero. It's just, yeah, 13%. Guys, things are on sale. Things are on sale. BOGO sale on Solana and AVAX. Come on down to Frankie's Bagel Factory and pick up your discounted AVAX. I'm just kidding, guys. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. All right, coming back to chat real quick. catch up with the candle crew here. Oh, actually, can we look at this poll? I don't even know how to. Okay, here we go. Okay, candle. That's funny that I said candle crew. Candle crew currently has 42% of the vote. Candle gang, or I'm sorry, CandleMafia coming in at 19%. And Money Mob. Ooh, Money Mob is. I like Money Mob. All right, guys, click that poll at the top of the chat if you have not voted yet for what we're going to call our community. I like Money Mob and Candle Crew. Personally, I also like the Candle Mafia. I kind of like them all. But you guys are going to pick them. So if you have not voted, please hop in there and vote so I know what we should call everybody. All right, check and chat. Resistance becomes support for the win. Jimmy Void, hashtag Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. Jimmy Two Shoes, what's going on, brother? Thank you for coming back. If you guys don't know, Jimmy is from the Boogie Down Bronx, baby. You know, from my homeland of New York. Really, really cool place. If we ever have a meetup there, he's actually going to have some cappuccino or espresso waiting for us, and I'm going to bring the cannolis. Actually, I can't bring the cannolis because I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. The cannolis are not really that good. So I'll bring the Entenmann's coffee cake. You bring the cannolis and the espresso. Or the cappuccino. I'm a cappuccino guy. All right, let's see. All about 4 years from now, so why worry? Hard work and time makes money. They say it's time in the market, not timing the market. I think it's the other way around. Timing the market, not timing the market. You guys know I'm bad at catchphrases. I don't even know if we call it a catchphrase. I'm just not good at it. Yo, Frankie, it's not being talked about right now, but do you have a few privacy coins you have your eyes on? I'll be honest, Jonathan, not really. Like talking about Monero and stuff like that, not particularly, but if I do, I'll definitely let you guys know. Let's see, sushi. I must have missed the sushi thing. I saw a sushi emoji. Oh, here it is. Yeah. Oh, you guys want to see sushi? I get you. Let's see. Then tell BitBoy to give me and Tyler a segment and add us to the family. Oh no, I missed what your show was going to be about. Hang on. Don't sleep on PVR. We can look at PVR. My first name is Donna. Hey, Donna, what's going on? I never knew that. I just call you Captain. I just salute you. That's all. Spider lines are messy. Yes. Yeah. Jeremiah, that it can get pretty messy. I'll just open that chart real quick for you guys. Like, oh, this is when you zoom out, it gets messy, right? Well, that's the thing, right? If you zoom in, let's go to the 10-minute, right? Look at that, guys. Look at the spider line. Reacted perfectly off of that spider line. Held it as support, as resistance. And the spider line video is going to be coming out due to popular demand. I know you guys are like the spider lines, so we're going to show you guys how to draw them so you can use them. Now you got the Fibonacci. You're going to have the spider lines. You know how to draw the key levels. If you've been watching all the videos, you know how to draw the key levels yourself. You guys are slowly learning, you know, a bunch of good stuff. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this chat keeps jumping up and I keep missing stuff. I'm so sorry. Crypto Anon, what's going on? Good to see you. TGIF, thank God it's Frankie Fridays. I love it, Rafi. Thank you. How are you today? You know, I'm good, Michael. I'm good. Thank you for asking. I appreciate that. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Hashtag Frankie Fridays. All right, that's it, guys. Fridays are now hashtag Frankie Fridays. Where we're gonna do, we'll pick something crazy to do on Fridays. Maybe we'll do like 3 wheel spins on Fridays, so you get like extra chances for a giveaway or something. So that'd be cool. Frankie Fridays, free Frankie Fridays. You guys are getting free stuff on Fridays. I'm gonna be clear. They're not. The giveaways are gonna be ready probably next week, hopefully. Not yet, but we can make Fridays free Frankie Fridays. And it's funny because in the BitBoy crypto chats, they're always saying hashtag free Frank because they joke around that we're working all the time, like locked in a dungeon. So the chat on BitBoy cryptos on Ben's channel is always like, you know, hashtag free Frank. So that would be funny. Free Frank Fridays. But we're talking about free stuff, not freeing me. Litecoin finally going to privacy with MWeb. It's only almost 2 years since they announced it. Hello, mate. What's going on, man? +1 Wendy. My company is burning, but I can watch you. All right, let's go. Wow, 240. Guys, 240 likes. Here you go. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, $2,400 for 240 likes. That's for you guys. Thank you very much. I think we're going to hit our like goal of 250. Maybe we can run it up to 300. Only you guys can decide that. If you have not smashed the like button and you like possibly, let's give this thing a little test spin and see what it hits. This is going to be fun, guys. This is going to be a good time. I think it needs to be adjusted a little bit. Look at that. It hits on giveaway. That's proof that it hits on giveaway. This thing is not rigged. Someone's going to get something starting next week. We're going to be doing the giveaways, so it is not rigged indeed. Let's see. Free Frank. I freaking love this channel. Smash the likes. Let's get this channel in front of the masses. Yes, Mark, you're the man. Thank you for that. Yes, guys, we're going to blow this up. Smash the like button. It helps the algorithm, helps it push our videos and my content to other people. It lets it lets the algorithm know that you guys are liking what you're learning, and you guys like watching me run around the studio, fall, hit my elbow. So help get this out to the masses so everybody can make more money. All right, let's touch real quick back on the Fibonacci because there's a couple things I do want to mention. I'll just mention this. I'm going to go more in detail in the video, but now, when you're trading the Fibonacci on the day, on the higher time frames, right? You want to be careful, right? Because when you have a tool that's so powerful like the Fibonacci, the Fibonacci retracement tool, you got to be careful, right? Because we're not the only people who know about this, right? I'm sorry to tell you. A lot of traders use this. A lot of traders use this. A lot of people know this. So when you think about it, if everybody's using this indicator, right, or this tool, I guess you can call it an indicator. When you're coming up to that, golden pocket, everyone knows that's the golden pocket, right? We're probably going to reject off it, or we're probably going to bounce off it. Everybody is going to try to trade that area, right? Makes sense. So sometimes on the longer time frames, you don't really just want to trade off the Fibonacci alone, just because obviously the whales know this, the manipulators know this. So a lot of times they know that when they get down to that level, there's going to be a lot of longs, a lot of orders set for longs. And what they'll do is that when they get there, they'll just short, they'll just short the, they short it. I'll just say that. They'll short that level and they'll push the price down and liquidate all those longs, and it drops the price down. And then they come in with their big whale mouths like a sperm whale, and they just scoop up the cheap Bitcoin. They literally steal it out of your pockets. So on the longer time frames, you want to be careful trading just the Fibonacci. But as you guys can see on the lower time frames, it does work out pretty well. As you can see, came up, hit that golden pocket, and came back down. And then again, the golden pocket, 0.65 and 0.618 between those levels. So it is better on the 1 minute, right? Because the whales aren't watching, not on the 1 minute, but the lower time frames, because the whales aren't watching the 5 minute to dump the price 2%, right? They're watching the daily, right? Oh, we're coming down. They're gonna have the long set at the golden pocket, and then they just wreck everybody and then scoop up the cheap Bitcoin. All right, guys. So this little trade we're in, this little Bitcoin long, we're doing good. We got pretty close to our take profit. We're getting a little retracement here, but right. We set our trade. Obviously, this was kind of for fun. But I'm just as a simulation. I feel safe with my stop loss. I'm willing to lose the money I'm risking with my stop loss. So I'm not getting worried about this red candle. I'm not like, oh my God, I got to take profits, right? I'm just actually, what percentage? I mean, on a small trade like this, I probably wouldn't be like taking. I usually take profits. Yeah, we almost hit 1%. So I'm not panicking. You get the red candle, even if we come down a little bit. I'm not freaking out. You're just going to let it ride. If it hits the take profit, it hits the take profit. If we hit our stop loss, we hit our stop loss. Because we're trading with money we're willing to lose. So because we're smart and we're not gamblers. So I did just want to give you guys that little sauce. I'm really giving it to you guys today. So be careful using it on the longer time frames. Probably better if you wanted to. I always trade. I always trade with multiple confirmations. Right here, we were coming to the key level, and then you had the golden pocket for the short. But for the lower time frames, it's a little better to use to trade off of. Just be careful on the the longer time frames. But it is, you know, it's always, I'm talking about trading off of it, right? It's still okay to, you know, use it just to, you know, find your levels, right? If you wanted to pull a fib from this high here to this low right here, you can see it came down, use, you know, support, resistance, tried to hold it. Let me zoom in. I always forget I have to zoom in for you guys, right? You came down, broke the golden pocket, dumped, tried to hold, dumped, support, dumped again, tried to hold on right there, dumped again, and then came down, support, came a little relief rally back up, dumped again, right? So you guys can see, like, you can't always predict the market, right? But like, I mean, you can see that these levels are, you know, the price reacts off these levels. I mean, you can't make that up. You can't make that up. I would go ahead and be safe to say, I think it's safe to say that these are not just random lines. TA is not, you know, just, I don't know, fake. Like, people think that you draw random lines and that's just as good as TA. Strongly disagree with that. All right, let's check chat real quick. Hashtag value, guys. You guys are already putting it in there, but hashtag value if you just learned something, because I do like to know if you guys are learning anything on this channel. I got a leg cramp. Oh God, I got a leg cramp, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. All right. Sorry about that. That was sitting in a weird chair. My leg got all freaked out. Let's see. On which time frame we should draw the fib? So like I said, if you're going to be using it on the daily, just be careful trading off of these levels, because a lot of, you know, it could be manipulated. A lot of people are using this. So you just want to be careful. But on the shorter time frame, you could use it on any time frame. It works on any time frame, which is amazing, right? Like, that's just the magic of math, right? You can come to the 1 minute. Let's just remove the drawings real quick. You know, you could draw, let's draw it from here to here. You could draw it on any time frame. Boom, boom, reaction down, reaction, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support. So you could draw it on any time frame, like literally any time frame. I just recommend, if you're gonna trade off of it, I would recommend sticking to the lower time frames because of what I explained earlier. 163 people in here. Guys, we hit 255 likes. I mean, that was fast. I appreciate it, guys. These streams keep going up and up. These streams are like parabolic, like Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? When Bitcoin's in a bull run, our channel is in a bull run right now. Hashtag Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. Let's go, Jimmy Two Shoes. Let's check chat real here. Eddie says, pee-pee time, too much Red Bull. Let's see. Does sharing the stream give extra help? Absolutely. Absolutely. Share the stream with your Uncle Vinny, your Aunt Dolores, your aunt, you know, share it with everybody. I don't know who your Uncle Vinny, your Uncle Johnny, your Uncle Mike, your Uncle Vinny, your Uncle Sal. I know if you're Italian, you definitely have uncles and aunts of all of those names. So yeah, share it with everybody. Share it with everybody. That definitely helps out the channel. Liking, notification bell, subscribing, everything helps the channel. The more we can get this out to more people, the more money everybody can make. And hopefully we can help you find financial freedom through crypto assets and trading the markets, whether we're going up or down. I just like saying that. Let's see. You are looking at lower highs and lower lows there. Lower highs. I don't know exactly what you're talking about. I don't know when that comment came through compared to where I was on the chart. Yes, grows the channel, Eddie, of course. Don't forget, Frankie full screen later today. Solo camera. Oh, who said that? John Connor. Thank you. Yes, I have to remember that. I also have to remember to write, you know, if I want some clips of the stream, I do have to write that down. Okay, let's see. Hashtag value, let's go. Hashtag value, let's go. Frankie, it's my birthday tomorrow. Crypto Anon. Guys, Crypto Anon's an OG of the channel. He's always in the streams. He's always asking great questions, always talking to everybody in the chat. Dude, happy birthday. Happy birthday. I wish I knew you in real life. Hopefully one day I'll get to meet you at a meetup. But I wish I could just come in, I wish I could just give you this dough right here. Happy birthday for you. Hopefully this Fibonacci, quick little Fibonacci lesson here helps you make some gains. And then if you make money, come back, let me know if you make money off of anything I said. And that'll be a birthday present, hopefully. But happy birthday, man, seriously. Let's see. what is the point of trading with altcoins if they just follow Bitcoin? Well, they don't always follow Bitcoin, right? But even if they did always follow Bitcoin, it just generally, right? I always say rising tides raises all ships, right? Or sinking tides sinks all ships. First of all, the gains and the profit you can make on altcoins is exponentially higher than Bitcoin, right? And I'll explain this real quick to you guys. A lot of people go after coins that are cheap, right? That's why people love Doge, right? They're new to crypto and they're like, oh my God, I could get, or SHIB, right? SHIB is like fractions of a cent. And they think like, why would I can't afford a whole Bitcoin. I can't buy a whole Bitcoin. So why would I get one whole Bitcoin when I can get, 65 quadrillion SHIB, right? And that's what people think. And they think that's how it works, but it really doesn't, right? Everybody thinks SHIB is going to go to $1, and the reason why that's not likely, unless they burn like a ton of their supply, it's very unlikely, right? Because in order to get SHIB up to $1, right, it's fractions of a cent. And I don't know what the market cap of SHIB is right now, but you have to double the market cap, right? And once you get up to that, like for Bitcoin to double, you have to go from 50,000 to 100,000, right? It takes a lot of money to do that. And that's why when you get into these low cap coins, low cap meaning low market cap, that's why they go so parabolic and you get these like 200x's and these crazy gains, right? Because the market cap is so low. So if the market cap is $100,000 and, you double the market cap with $100,000 entering the asset. And, if you're talking, worldwide people investing, $100,000 is not that much for millions of people. So it's easy to flip that market cap constantly. That's why those gains go up so fast. So that's why Bitcoin's market cap is huge. It's for Bitcoin to double its market cap, it would take so much money. But with these lower cap coins, lower down on the list, the altcoins, you need less money to bring up the price. Justin Williams explained this in a really, really good way. I think Justin Williams from NFT Update, how did he explained it like, if you want to fill up think of a shot glass, right? And it's half full. To fill the rest of the shot glass, you only need like a little squirt of water out of an eyedropper to fill that back up. So think of the level of water as the price going up and the market cap going up, right? So in a shot glass, you only need to get a little squirt in there for it to fill up, the rest of the way. Where on Bitcoin, think about how much water you would need to fill up a whole bucket of water, right? You need way more money. I hope I didn't butcher the way he explained that, but I thought it was a good way. It's hard to get people to understand market cap and all that, but I hope that helps you guys out a little bit. But let's check chat. I forgot what we were even going for, guys. The trade is still going, still in the green. Let's see if we can. Maybe we'll come down. It looks like we're probably going to come down a little bit. Looking at the 1 minute chart, right? So not a big deal. Let's see. Are you using charts Bitcoin to ETH or market cap charts? This is Bitcoin to USD. Hashtag value. Do you think it is the best time to hold ETH and BNB? What's your best token you feel will go bullish alt? Abba King said that. That was from Abba King. I'm thinking the metaverse and gaming tokens are probably the way to go right now. But understand that this is like the new thing, and a lot of these companies probably aren't going to be around in the future. Like the biggest gaming coin and the biggest metaverse company or metaverse coin project, whatever you want to call it, probably doesn't exist yet, right? Like the Apple and the Amazon and the Google of metaverse and gaming probably doesn't even exist yet, right? But these projects you can obviously, maybe there are, right? Maybe Gallo becomes the Apple, maybe, Meta, you never know, but chances are they probably don't even exist yet. We are very early. I need to figure out how much to really read Market Cipher. I keep losing money. Hey, Arturo, I don't know how to say your name, but you're in the right place. I promise you're in the right place. I'm going to help you guys out. So you could use Market Cipher as well as a traditional TA. Let's see. There's use cases for SHIB though. You got any FF? I don't know what that is. I don't hold SHIB, if that's what you're asking. I don't really pay that much attention to SHIB. They say they has a use case. I don't know what it is. Maybe put it in chat. Let me know. So dude, in my opinion, it's going to be the greatest wealth transfer in history of mankind. Joshua, I agree with you. I agree with you. All these crypto haters are saying, crypto's going to zero. It's a scam, and they're probably going to miss out on the greatest wealth transfer in history. Absolutely. This is the .com bubble, right? How many? I said this last time. All the stuff you hear haters saying about all the stuff you hear haters say about crypto is the same thing people were saying about the internet. Why would I buy food on the internet when I could just, go to the grocery store? DoorDash, Uber Eats, Shipped, Instacart. Everyone's buying their groceries online now. It's like most people buy their stuff online. Online shopping is Amazon, Apple, all these, well, I guess Apple's not an internet company, but Google, right? Like the biggest companies in the world are internet, centric. So they said the same thing. They said that why would I talk to someone in a chat room when I can just go hang out with them in real life? Now we think of all the time people spend looking at their phone, all the time people spend on Facebook. It's just before it happens, it's hard to imagine. And I think that's what's happening with crypto right now. I think it's gonna be the biggest thing ever. And people are just missing out on it. Why would I hang out in VR with people when I can just go see them in real life? Sounds really similar to the internet thing, right? So I mean, you got to be forward thinking. Let's see. Pumping token in a sea of red today was AMP. Any idea why? Was AMP pumping today? Let's take a look. Guys. Let's take a look. AMP, because someone said Doge was pumping and it wasn't. So I think I'm just getting trolled. I know we looked at AMP recently. It's got to be in here somewhere. AVAX, Sheeb. Oh, there's Sheeb. Yeah. Let's see. Where is AMP? Mana. I might pick up some mana. Where is AMP? I thought we had it on here. I might have passed it, but let's just get in here real quick. AMP. Crypto. AMP USD Binance. Let's see. Come on, internet. You got it. Oh, okay. Interesting. I don't know why I went to let's go to the 4 hour. Interesting. Okay. Maybe there was news. I don't know 100%. Maybe there was news on AMP. But yeah, let's look at the daily. Yeah, I guess see it held. This is what I'm saying. Someone said why trade altcoins if they follow Bitcoin? Obviously you get a higher percentage of gains, right? If you trade ETH rather than Bitcoin, you'll notice you got to be careful when you trade ETH against Bitcoin or like ETH instead of Bitcoin if you're leverage trading, right? Because the ETH chart could look really good, but if Bitcoin dumps, like ETH's usually going to follow it. But you'll notice if Bitcoin pumps and ETH pumps, ETH usually pumps like a way higher percentage, like a 10% gain on Bitcoin. Like a 1%, like a 10% gain on Bitcoin might be like a 20 or 25% gain on ETH. Because it has a lower market cap. It needs less money to move the price. I think that might be the simplest way to explain market cap. It's kind of hard to explain. But yeah. So, and then you have sometimes where, the altcoins just don't listen to Bitcoin. And it's just like, I don't care. You're dumping. I'm going to go this way. So you do have that happen. That is very interesting. But yeah, like same thing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it back in time, but there was a point at some point earlier this or last year, late last year, Bitcoin was dumping and Polkadot was just going. Oh, I'm sorry, Atom was just going. And Dot kind of does the same thing. Dot just does its own thing sometimes too. So yeah. With Web3, you will see this year Visa and MasterCard will drop like crazy. I can guarantee it. Guys, there's a reason why the big companies and the big institutions hate crypto. It's because they're scared. It hurts their business. It's bad for business, right? This is why they hate it. The government hates it. It's threatening to the government. It's threatening them. That's why they hate it. It's a wave they can't stop, and they know that. And maybe that's why this XRP lawsuit's getting. I'm not saying this is why. I'm saying maybe this is why the XRP lawsuit's going on for so long, right? Like they see this crypto thing going on. They're just like, who knows if they're going to get regulational clarity. And you know, they're scared. They know they can't stop this wave. Guys, 267 likes. We smashed that like goal. We're gonna have to raise it next stream. Next stream, we're going for 300. Let's try to hit 300 in this stream. You know, we got an hour. We've been live for an hour and a half. We got a little bit left. 268. Let's see if we can get to 300 this stream. But next stream, maybe we raise it up to 300. Let's see. Crypto is the best. Crypto is the best opportunity to grow personal wealth for all generations. Absolutely. Do you do any one-on-one training? OMAC, not currently. But if you see here, we do have a one-on-one 15-minute Zoom call or Google call, whatever we want to do. And I think that'll be cool for you guys if you have any questions, because I know you watch you guys watch the tutorials and all that, and it's very informational. I think I explain things pretty well, but you know, sometimes it's just like you wish you can ask a question to clarify something, and like there's nothing that can clarify it other than you asking the question and the person talking to you. So I think that'd be pretty cool for everybody. I am very busy trying to get the channel up and running. I think we're doing a pretty good job so far. So I don't know how long. It is a lot of work. We're up late. We're up early. But I think that'll be good for you guys for sure. Let's see. Tezos. I don't know why the chat keeps lagging. Discord group soon for the Frankie Candles community. Yes, I think that would be good too. Like maybe we do this until the Discord is up, because I can kind of inform you guys on what I'm thinking in the Discord, and we can chat back and forth. I could put, post pictures of my trading view charts, and I could keep you guys updated in there. And you guys can talk to each other, right? You could put your TA in there, right? And be like, hey guys, I see this. What do you guys think? And then, maybe you're just like, someone comes in like, oh no, that's invalidated because of this. Maybe I come in and answer a question or two. So I think it's a good place for you guys to collaborate and learn together as well. My Coinbase Visa is the sickest card ever. Yeah, I know, right? It's almost like you got, I don't know how to explain it, but like you got Visa, but it's a Coinbase card. So it's like you got like the two. I don't know what I'm saying. You got the competitor on Visa's card, right? I don't know what I'm saying. XRP is all a show. Yeah, Crypto Anon. It seems like that, doesn't it? It does. It seems like that. Let's see. Is this a correction or is this a market dump? I don't think this is a market dump. Ooh, I don't want to give you guys all the sauce on the Fibonacci tool, but there is a way to figure out, using the Fibonacci tool, when a retracement becomes a market reversal. You have retracement levels, and then once you get past a certain point, you can consider it a market reversal. Goes from correction to a reversal. Let's see. Went from Bitcoin price prediction for tomorrow. Let's see. Bitcoin price prediction for tomorrow. Possibly more downside. I think I got a moth flying through my light here. You guys might see a crazy shadow going across my face. That's just a moth. I think that we have a chance to go down a bit lower for Bitcoin. Let's pull up the chart here. Let's see. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's look at that flat candle. Boom. Yeah, I mean, we do have the daily VWAP coming down. I know I said this before. We are crossing down. Did it close? I guess the candle closed. Yeah, we did just have about 10 minutes ago. We had the candle close. And yeah, we did cross under, right? Not to say that we can't tomorrow. We just come down a little bit and it curves right back up. But we do want to watch this, right? Because we can come down a little bit. You have the money flow flattening out right here, that red wave. And, it could come down like this and bring us down a little bit more before maybe the Super Bowl brings it up. And yeah, so I would say it does seem like it does look like we could be finding a little bit of a bottom here, but a little more downward price action would not really surprise me that much. Let's check chat. Do you recommend trading a couple coins or set alerts for as many as you can? I don't really understand the question. Do you recommend trading a couple coins or set alerts. Alerts are good, right? You can set alerts on TradingView. Alerts are good. You can even set alerts for Market Cipher, right? So if you're looking for, money flow crossover on whatever time frame, you can set alerts for all kinds of stuff on Market Cipher. And just if the price goes below a certain level, you can set alerts for that. But yeah, alerts are awesome. I don't know what you mean by do you trade a couple coins, like more than one coin at once? Yeah, I have. Yeah, I have before. Will Coinbase card? With Coinbase card, you can switch with crypto you spend and get 4% back on XLM. That's awesome. That's awesome. I gotta look into that. Oh, Pearls, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the stream. Pearls is saying he doesn't want to vote on the poll above on what we should call our community, but he does say hashtag CandleClan. That's not bad. Pearls, you're smart. I like you. Yeah, CandleClan. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. When will you be coming out to California? So Ben, BitBoy Crypto, Ben, DZ, all them, they're actually at a meetup right now in California. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it to this one. But I've been, I usually go to every single one, but they're in California right now. I don't know exactly what's today. Today's Friday. I think maybe the meetup's today. I'm not 100%. Go to bitboycrypto.com. I think there's an Eventbrite. I'm not sure exactly where it is, but if you go to the website, I think you can see where it is, or maybe check his Twitter. You can see where and when it is, and maybe you can get there. Hashtag pump this, likes up to 300. Oh, 282, guys, we are so close. Yeah, if we get to 300 likes, maybe I'll mail one of you, 3 or 4 or 500 of these fake dollars. All right, let's see. Hey, Frankie, do you remember I told you about the RSI bearish divergence and Sol head and shoulders pattern? Marcus, yeah, I do think I think I do remember that. If I didn't remember it, you could go back to the other chat and take a screenshot and send it to me on Twitter to prove it. But I do think I remember you saying that. Yeah. Thoughts on sushi's price action? Oh yeah, you guys want to see sushi. Everybody wants to see sushi. Sushi, is it doing something? Why does everyone want to see sushi today? Let's see. We'll go Tether US Binance chart. All right, let's see. Okay, not doing anything too exciting. We are looking at the daily. So this does actually. This is interesting. Is this yeah, I mean, just roughing this out, I mean, that does look like a little bit of a descending triangle. Interesting. If you guys remember, we talked about ascending triangles and descending triangles yesterday. Just basic trading patterns. If you missed that, go back and watch it. I think we dropped some really good knowledge. But let's take a look a little bit closer. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. And then, guys, maybe right after this, maybe we'll start using, maybe we'll use the replay tool coming, we're coming up at about an hour and 40 minutes, hour 35 minutes. Maybe we'll use the replay tool with the Fibonacci tool to see how it works out. Let's check that Bitcoin trade real quick, actually. Boom. Okay, coming down a little bit. Got a green dot. Maybe this brings us to our take profit. Don't trade. Oh, and look at that. That's why you don't trade the green dots right there. You saw it happen live, guys. You saw it happen live. You got the green dot. A lot of people will just trade this immediately. And if you watch my market cipher tutorial, I explained exactly this situation. You just saw the red dot pop up here. This is why you don't just trade the green dots, because you could have gotten in a trade right here, and then it prints a red dot right after it, and you get red candles, and then you're freaked out. You're like, is it going up or down? Sometimes you get red, you'll get green, red, and that's usually indicative of sideways market, a sideways market or sideways price action for a little bit. Obviously, we're on the 1 minute here. Don't typically look at the 1 minute chart that much, but good information on all charts. But right there, that is why you do not just buy the green dots, because you printed that green dot, that red dot popped up right away, and that's why you want the confirmations. That's why you need confirmations when you're trading. Okay, anyway, what were we doing before? What were we looking at? Sushi. Okay, let's take a look. Tether US. Okay, let's pull a fib. Not on the 1 minute. I mean, we could pull it on the 1 minute. Let's pull it on the 1 minute for fun, guys. We're just having fun. Boom. Look at that. Look, guys. Boom. We'll talk about this in a second, but look, right? Obviously, we drew the line to here. The line didn't come down and touch this line. We drew this after the fact, but you get the bounce, rejection right off of the golden pocket, just like on that Bitcoin trade. That right off of the golden pocket. That is, look, you could have taken that short, right? On the 1 minute, I'd be looking for a 1% move. I'm happy. Boom. If you wrote it down to this this second level here, what's this? This is 60, 70, 75% to this fib level. And then, you know, if you wrote it all the way down, you would have gotten 1.3% with 10x leverage. That's 13% profit. If you're trading with $1,000, that's $130 in almost no time. I just use $1,000 because it's easy math, guys. But yeah, that's look at that Fibonacci. Look at this. This played out perfectly. Rejection right off of there. But yeah, I mean, like I said, if Bitcoin keeps dumping, chances are sushi will probably go down. I could try to find some areas. Let's go to, boom. Yeah, I mean, you are at support here. Next level would probably be around $3. That can't be. Yeah, I mean, you're pretty low here. You're pretty low. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it holds this level. Depending on how low Bitcoin goes, you could be seeing a little bit more downward price action for SHIB. Did I call it SHIB before too? Sushi, sorry. All right, let's see. Blockchain eye strain. I like that. I feel the blockchain eye strain, my man. I'm staring at the charts. You get that eye strain. You got to get the blue light glasses, right? Frankie is locked up. Can't leave people. Frankie is locked up. He can't leave people. Are such noobs. Let's see. When your channel blows up and you need help, how can I put in my application? Lol, but for real. Blockchain eye strain. Hit me up on Twitter. I don't know. Maybe we can make something happen. What would you be offering? Maybe put it in chat. Let me know what you can do. Crypto Anon. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's a Pauly D thing. Hey, if you guys want to see a picture of me with a Pauly D haircut when I was younger, I think I'm holding an alligator in the picture, so it's actually like hilarious and weird picture. But if you guys want to see that, go ahead and put hashtag Frankie P. You got Pauly D, you got Frankie P. Put hashtag Frankie P if you want to see the blowout. We already hit our like goal. What are we at? 289, guys. We're so close to 300 likes. I think we can crush it today. We still got like 20 minutes left. I think we can nail it. We're going to spin the wheel. Maybe we'll spin it twice. Who knows? It's Freaky Frankie Fridays. What would you say? No, free Frankie Fridays? Freaky, whatever. It's Frankie Fridays. We're spinning this thing. Let's see. I used to be a degen and wouldn't care about trading money with leverage, but now I have 3 kids, so just 19x leverage for me, opposed to 50. Hey, listen, 19, depending on how much I'm trading with, I usually trade with a lower amount with the 19x or 20x. But hey, if you're going from 50 to 19, then that's a pretty good cut down there. I like that. That's not bad. Market Cipher A printed a green dot on the daily Bitcoin chart yesterday. Is this a significant signal? Jonathan, let's take a look. Boom. And hey, if you guys don't have Market Cipher and you watch these streams, at least you can get an eye on what the chart is doing while we're live. So you get a little taste of Market Cipher, right? Let's see. Let's pull up Market Cipher A. Don't freak out. You're going to see a lot of indicators pop up. It's not as confusing as it looks. If you guys, I'm going to be coming out with a Market Cipher A. We're going to cover it in a tutorial video. And now this is, so what you could do is you can go back and back test, right? Green dot here, pretty big up movement, right? Green dot here, pretty big up movement, right? But then you get a green dot here and then you get a big dump. I don't pay a lot of attention to the green dots on Market Cipher A. It's not the same as if you get like a green dot on the weekly or a green dot on the daily or something like that, which even on Market Cipher B I'm talking about, which obviously you can see green dot here, we dumped. It's not always indicative of the bottom. It's only indicative of a bottom, right? So if you're in a bear market or a big downtrend, you could see, right? You could see it right here. That's why I say the trend is your friend, right? In a bull market, it's great. They work out great. Look at this. You got a green dot right here, and it literally called the exact bottom of this correction, and you know, you pump. Now you're in an uptrend, so they're more helpful. But on a downtrend, Look at this. You get a green dot here. If you come up to the chart, thought this was the bottom, right? This has to be the bottom. We just dumped. And then you get more downward price action. You get another green dot here. Thought it was a bottom. Pumped up a tiny bit. Dumped again. And then we finally get this green dot as the money flow wave is coming up. And you finally see some price action. So positive price action. But yeah, I don't pay too much attention to the green dots on Market Cipher A. So I hope that answers your question. Let's see. Chart reading question. Why do the length of the wicks not change, but the candle bodies do between Bitcoin USD and Bitcoin Tether? They do. They both move. If you go down to the lower time frames, you can kind of see how they move. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. Well, I apologize for that. Hopefully, we don't go down. If we do, I'm sorry. 297 likes. That would be a really big disappointment if we end the stream with 297 likes. So if you can hear me, smash the like button and get us up to 300 before the internet or something takes us down. Maybe they didn't like us talking about XRP. Maybe the Fed, SEC is trying to shut us down. All right, let's see here. Burning candles and calling handles. Let's go. Bubba, I like that. Wow, 50% is crazy. Yes, Frankie, 5-minute cell phone going live over the weekend like Ben. John, maybe if we get some crazy price action, if Bitcoin starts to pump for the Super Bowl, maybe I will hop on for a little bit and we'll talk. 300 likes, guys. You did it. Now I got to give you 30 $100 bills. I don't know if I have it here. I'm running short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I literally have 30 bills here. Guys, it was meant to be. We had 300 likes. I have 30 $100 bills just for you guys. Here you go. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. We smashed that. Okay, so 300 likes. We'll spin the wheel 3 times. How about that? All right, let's see. How do we know which tops and bottoms to pull fibs from? I'm going to go over that in the Fibonacci. I almost said Market Cipher video. I'm going to go over that in the Fibonacci video. But play around with it, right? Just find a top and find a bottom and play around with it. And you'll see. You'll know when price is reacting off of the levels like this, and you'll know when you draw it wrong, right? Let's just draw it wrong, right? See that we're in the middle here. Actually, this kind of, oh wow, look at that. Okay, that didn't work out. I kind of accidentally drew that. Okay, but yeah, like I mean, if you go like this and you just pull them like, let's pull it down a little more. Like you just pull it like that. Oh God, my brain just keeps like putting the lines up to support and resistance. But yeah, I just play around with it. You'll know if you're pulling it wrong. Like you'll know it's very clear when you get it right. You'll see that the areas react very, very strongly. Let's take a look at chat here. Green dot on Market Cipher A is like John Cena. We don't see it. Like that. Smash the likes to 300, guys. We're at 308, 159 viewers. Thank you guys so much for being here, guys. I love hanging out with you guys on these streams. It's super, super, super fun. Do you think XRP wins the case? I don't know. Eddie, I don't know. Pearl says Candle Clan again. I like Candle Clan. I wish I could add more stuff to the poll. Guys, if you didn't vote on the poll in chat, I don't know where it is. It's on the top for me. It might be on the bottom for you. But definitely vote on what we should call the community. Let's check and see who is winning. I will come back to this XRP question in just a second. Yeah, Candle Crew. I was kind of hoping for Money Mob. But Candle Crew, you guys, I mean, hey, it's our community. It's not me. So we'll have to go with what you guys say. But yeah, does XRP win the lawsuit? I mean, I feel like they would. I mean, I don't know. But see, the SEC does some shady stuff sometimes, and like I feel like they have the power. But yeah, it's just it's hard to say. I mean, I hope they win. I can tell you that. I think they have to win. I mean, it's yeah, I just feel like I feel like they must, but who knows what's gonna happen, right? Uh, let's see. Solo cam. All right, here we're pulling up the solo cam. What's up? Now you guys get to see me on the big screen. Let's see. Dan Totten, what is going on, bro? What is going on? He says Frankie Candles to the moon, absolutely. And I'm taking you with me, Dan. I'm taking you with me. Taking you with me, Totten. Pearl says Candle Clan is my life. Chipotle is my life. Megan, what's going on? She says hello, hello. How are you? How are you? Let's see. What do you think of Matic? I don't hold any. I held Matic for a little bit. I forget why. It was for a specific reason. Actually, I held. I actually don't remember exactly what that was for. I don't hold any Matic, but I did use it to use a platform or something. Crypto Anon says XRP will win. I think they could pull through. Captain Kirk says that feeling when you get when your phone is blowing up with price decrease alerts. Oh God, yeah, I know, that's the worst. Every time my phone has like a long vibrate, it's like, I'm like, oh no, I hope that's not Phoenix. Let's see. Candle Crew, do you ever use Elliott wave theory? Sometimes. Who's that? Oh, dude, bro, what's going on, man? Thank you for coming back. I appreciate that. Happy to have you. Yeah, sometimes Elliott wave theory. I'm a 30-year-old auto mechanic, father of two, got into crypto over a year ago. Balls deep in crypto, NFTs, Meta, and Web3. Have no documented skills in the space, but a crazy work ethic and love the space. Hey, blockchain eye strain. That's why you're called blockchain eye strain, because you're working super, super hard and you come home and you're still doing your research. I like that. You got good work ethic. I would say work ethic could be one of the most important aspects of trading and crypto, right? Because you always got to be learning, right? You never just want to like slow down on learning. You always want to be learning new things. And I actually, I recommend looking things up that challenge your point of view, right? So if you hate XRP, like maybe find someone who's bullish on XRP and see what they have to say and just listen to it, right? You don't have to follow them, but like, you should be doing research that is contrary to what you already think, because sometimes you can get your mind changed and it could be really important. What about the candle? Oh no, who said that? Brad. The candelabras, and then I can get like a candelabra to like stand behind me when we're streaming. I like that. All right, let's see. You think the emergency meeting by the Fed will crash Bitcoin? Michael, I think, I don't know. We got a lot of crazy things going on right now. That's why I say like you got to be really careful right now. We have a lot of things fundamentally happening. We also have this whole thing with Russia happening. I hope YouTube doesn't hate that word, but you know, it could be good, could be bad. We'll have to see. Pearls asks, what does Adidas stand for? It stands for absolutely, definitely, in this as, I don't know. I think it says, what is the thing they used to say in school? All day I dream about sports. That would be wrong. All day I don't dream about sports. I'll tell you that. Not a huge sports guy. Sorry, guys. I respect you all, but not a big sports guy. I like basketball. Basketball is probably my favorite. Super fun going to the games. But we actually have courtside tickets to the Hawks games here in Atlanta, and that's super fun. And I got to go to a Knicks game, Knicks versus Hawks. I always root for the Hawks, but you know, at the Knicks game, you got to rep New York, right? So I had to rep New York and root for the Knicks, and they actually wound up winning the game. So it was really, really, really fun. Let's see. Is it better to buy crypto on Ledger Live or on Coinbase and then send to Ledger? I'll be honest, I don't personally use a Ledger. Actually, randomly have a whole lot of Ledger Nanos right here. There's like 5 of them or 6 of them, and I don't use them. We have them here. But I don't really use them. I keep my stuff on exchanges for the most part. It's just easier. And you know, maybe when I have $1 billion one day, I'll put it on cold storage. But yeah, I don't typically use a Ledger, so I can't give you too much advice on it because I just don't have a lot of experience with it. But Let's see here. TD, bruh, who's out here voting for Candle Crew over CandleMafia? Tony's hating on the Candle Crew. He likes CandleMafia. Hey, the game's not over yet. Maybe, you know, Money Mob is in second. I like Money Mob, Candle Crew, but you guys pick. But yeah, I'm a big fan of CandleMafia and Money Mob and Candle Crew. I like them all. But I do feel like maybe we should work in like the mob mafia kind of thing, right? Because we got the New York vibes over here. We're in the New York Bagel Factory, right? It's got to be run by, it's got to be like a front for the mafia, right? Isn't everything a front for the mafia in New York? Let's see. 589 XRP, yeah, Carla. CandleMafia. Captain Kirk says hashtag CandleMafia. Is that an executive decision, Captain Kirk? Or Donna, is it? Pump the likes, guys. 320. Let's go. 154 concurrent viewers. Guys, we got like 10 minutes. Should we spin the wheel? Let's get hashtag wheel in chat if you want to spin this wheel. Let's see. My favorite sport is Bulls versus Bears. That's right. Meet Kevin says it's a nothing burger and he studies the Fed like religion. Just a meeting, praying he's right. Hey, I hope he's right too. How many votes did the whole poll get? Let's check. 322 votes. Wow, 2 votes. Wow. So that means we have 321 likes. I don't get it. 323. Okay, yeah. Wow. All right. We almost have the exact amount of polls as we do likes. Let's go. Okay, boom. Wow. Going nuts. Hashtag wheel. Oh, it's the wheel. Everybody wants the wheel. Okay. We got the wheel. The vote ended for us a long time ago. Oh, really? Can I reopen it? Oh no, it says end poll. This is my first poll. I don't think. Go to channel end poll. Yeah, no, I don't know. Maybe interesting. I don't know. Let's see. Hashtag wheel. All right, let's go. It's an executive decision, and please call me captain. Okay, I like calling you captain too. Aye, captain. Okay, so executive. So wait. So what was it, Captain Kirk? Yeah, hashtag mafia. Yeah, because then you could get that hashtag mafia, and I do like that. If you guys agree with Captain Kirk and you do like Captain Mafia, if you do like CandleMafia, let us know in chat because we do, majority. We want to make sure we get what we want. But if you guys do like CandleMafia because we got the New York vibes going on over here, then put it in chat so we know, and maybe Captain Kirk can get her executive decision. But let's go ahead and spin the wheel and see what we can get today. Hopefully it's something I can do today. If we land on giveaway or a trade, we're just gonna go to the left or the right. We'll just pick left, right? We'll go left. All right, spin number 1, the first official spin, half official, right? Because not everything's active, but first half official spin of the wheel on the Frankie Candles YouTube channel. Here we go. It's very off balance. Of course, it lands on 30 jumping jacks. Okay, all right, I'm gonna have to take a little sip of the Red Bull here. Hopefully, I don't, guys. This wall here is actually it's not really secured very well. So if you guys are really lucky, you might be able to see this like 10, 15-foot wall fall right on top of me. I might get crushed live on stream. So I have to be really careful about how I do this. All right. Here we go, 30. I'm moving the wheel out. We're gonna spin it 3 times, by the way, guys. You're only gonna be able to see like half of my body, but we're gonna spin the wheel 3 times for 300 likes. Geez, 326 likes. Maybe we get to 400 spinning an extra time. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, boom. 1, 2. 10, 11. 20. 6, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. All right. Oh, wow. I'm watching it on the delay here. It doesn't look like my hands are connecting. It looks like my hands are only coming up to here, but I swear to God, they were touching. That's weird. But there you go. 30 jumping jacks, first wheel spin. Not a bad Not a bad landing on 30 jumping jacks. At least we didn't have to move to the left at all. Let's see. Be careful. Crypto announcements. Be careful. Wall didn't fall down yet. We should reinforce it, though. I think that would be a good idea. Heading for 400 likes. People want that fourth spin. Let's go. Pearl says, that's how you stay fit while making money. Hey, Pearls, you are 100% right. Except I gave all my money to you guys already. But maybe I can make some more. Oh, let's check the Bitcoin trade real quick. Going down to the DGen chart. 1 minute. What do we do here? Okay, we crabbed out. We're just gonna keep it in here. All right, still going sideways on the trade. Hopefully we can get a little pop here. I think we can get to this take profit in a couple minutes. Hopefully. 332 on the likes. Thank you guys so much for liking the video. Definitely helps us out. Hashtag night off. Jonathan saying, give him a night off. He's going to die. Listen to him. He can't breathe. I'm going to the gym after this too. So, Frankie Fitness over here. Who said that? Brad, you're funny. We got Frankie Fitness over here. Water, right? I shouldn't be drinking the Red Bull. All right, we still got 2 more spins. TD, oh baby. Tony saying, oh baby. I think you like the jumping jacks. Bruh, we're not fitness instructors. You can half-ass physical work. Okay, next time I'll only half jump. Thanks for that. All right, so wheel spin number 2. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Imagine it's 30 again. That would be horrible. Oh, we got a blank. We're going to the left. That's a trade, so we're going to left one more time, and it's, of course, chug the Red Bull. Okay. And, guys, we could change this up. So, yeah, and, maybe when we get bored of these, I'll put it in chat. We'll redo it. We'll redo the wheel. So here you go. Cheers, guys. This is my little pre-workout here. Can you guys hear that? And there's your Frankie Candles ASMR. I know someone put that in chat. They wanted me to put, actually, we are missing one. Hang on. We'll do ASMR. Is that how you spell ASMR? I hope so. Yeah, so if someone said that in chat yesterday, and I gave you a little sneak peek. I'm actually pretty good at ASMR, they say. All right, wheel spin number 3. Let's just check chat real quick. Warrior Walter said that was 29. You know what? This wall might fall. This wall might crush me, but whew, there you go. Make it an even 30. I don't know if you were just trolling me or, All right, guys. Get my exercise in today. Let's see. Hydrate or die. Yes, I don't know. I'm drinking the Red Bull. I should drink the water. What would you say are some good skills that would be useful when trying to work at the Hit Factory with you guys? YouTube Hit Factory channel is lit and is like my vision of a dream job. Cars. Oh, it's blockchain eye strain. You're a mechanic. That's why you said cars suck. Hey, maybe a mechanic, right? We got the GTR, the Lamborghini. Sure, there's probably more to come at some point. So maybe you could be like the full-time car guy. And I think they might want to make a YouTube channel, a car-based YouTube channel. So yeah, maybe that would be a good thing to think about. Let's see. Red Bull isn't good for you, Pearls. You're right. When you're right, you're right. Let's see. Good thing you're going to the gym afterwards. That's right. We're gonna work that. We're gonna work that sugar right out. We're gonna need it later. Frank the Tank, Crypto Anon. Saying Frank the Tank. Let's go. Damn, bro. Red Bull will find. Oh, whoa. That's funny. Carlo, thank you for being here. Appreciate you. He says, damn, bro. Red Bull will find you wings. I think he means because it's not good for you and you don't. Yeah. Wow. That's pretty funny. I like that. Tony, so grateful that Frank let my nephew write the tests on the wheel. Tony's roasting my handwriting, I think, is what's going on here. He says I let his nephew put him on the wheel. Yeah. I don't really know what to say about that. Handwriting, less than good. All right, wheel spin number 3, guys. You guys ran it up to 335 likes. Maybe we'll do a half spin. Here we go. Big money, big money, big money. Let's go, big money. And we're going to the left. Chug Red Bulls. Is that a respin? I think that's a respin. There's no more Red Bull. I would chug that water, but I probably wouldn't make it. I'd probably just, you know, drown myself. Let's see. Boom. This is spin number 3. Spin number 3. No. Why? Why is this my luck? Why is this my luck? All right. Let's see. All right. I guess we're doing 30 jumping jacks. All right. Well, now we're really warming up for the gym. Oh, actually, we've been live for 2 minutes and 2 hours and 1 minute, guys. Actually, that wheel's invalidated. So I'll see you guys next. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Man of my word. I'm a man of my word. Whew. All right. Here we go. I'm going to count them out loud this time so you guys can't troll me with the 29. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Did I not count those right? Why did that feel so short? All right, let's go. All right. I don't think those are. Oh, you guys talking about the ledgers? We could maybe. Let me talk to the original owner of these ledgers. Would you guys be interested in maybe ledger giveaway? I'm not saying I can give them away. I would have to. I don't even know whose they are, but they have been sitting down here for quite a while. So maybe we could put them to good use and help out our, the CandleMafia. All right, guys. He says respin. This is like Wheel of Fortune. Hashtag respin. No, lol. Take care. Don't take a slow down with the JJ. Love it. Okay, skip the gym. You already worked out. Hey, Carlo, you're right. Maybe I will skip the gym now. We need a nano giveaway. Okay, I can try to work on that for you guys. That was 28 jumping jacks. John Connor again with the troll. 1, 2. All right, there's it. I stood up really quick. You might have not seen it, but there's your extra 2. Get jumping, fellas. I'm waiting for a good entry on Bitcoin charts. This kills my time. Great, Carlo. Happy to have you. I'm whether you're killing time or just looking for some fun, some tips on how you can make money in crypto. Definitely come by. We'll keep you entertained. Did you get the message too? Gym has closed today. Oh, Jeremiah says the gym's closed. That's it. Not going to the gym. Done. Hashtag we can go live from Frankie. Okay, you guys really want me to go live this weekend? All right. Market Cipher discount coupon. Rafi, I can try that. Raf. This is America. Of course, we want free stuff. Okay, absolutely. Tony wants free stuff. I think I can make it happen. Bro, don't give away those ledgers. I'd be paranoid to use them. LOL. They are actually, they're still sealed. I know you probably can't see that, but they are sealed. This is the original seal. You could see that. But hey, this one's actually ripped, but not open. But yeah, I mean, I'll see what we can do with those. This is, let's see. Have a good night, everyone. Candle Clan. All right, guys. I think that's all I got. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for the 333 likes, guys. I have a blast on these streams with you. As always, it's Freaky Frankie Fridays. I think Captain Kirk has come up with the executive decision. You guys are officially the Candle Mafia. So happy to have you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am on the solo cam. I remembered this time. I hope you guys learned a lot. We will touch on this trade, this fake trade that we're in right now. I'll bring it up on Monday or maybe over the weekend if we hang out, and I'll let you guys know if we hit the take profit or if we got stopped out and lost the trade. But yeah, guys, have a good weekend. Be safe. Enjoy the Super Bowl, and let's hope the Super Bowl can pump these prices. Thank you. I love every single one of you. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out.